This chai from Tate cost me almost $6, but in this video I'm going to show you 2 ways to make chai cheap and easy. This first chai you can make in under a minute. First you're going to crush up 4 green cardamom pods. For my tea I'm using Earl Grey from Sadaf. Add your pods into a glass. And then scoop out 3 tablespoons of black tea into a tea bag and place it into the cup. Add in your hot water. And let your tea steep for a couple of minutes. Add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk. If you want it sweeter, add in more, or if you want it less sweet, add in less. This next chai is a little more complicated. You're going to use 1 cup of evaporated milk, and for your spices, cut up ginger, 4 cardamom pods, 2 cloves, 8 strands of saffron, 3 tablespoons of black tea, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Crush up your cardamom pods. And then add them to a pot along with your other spices and your black tea. Add in 2 cups of water. Let everything come to a boil. Add in your sugar and then let it all steep on a simmer for 5 minutes. Once 5 minutes has passed, add in your cup of evaporated milk. Every so often this will come to a boil, and every time it does, you're going to lift up your pot for 5 to 10 seconds and then place it back onto the heat. And you're going to do this about 4 or 5 times. Once it's done, strain everything out into a large container. Since it's been so hot out, I'm going to pour my chai over a couple of ice cubes. And there you have it.